Now let's talk about the negative index law. Now the negative index law states that a number raised to a negative index equals the reciprocal raised to that same positive index. Now let's use this example to break down that point. If I ask you to divide 2 raised to the power of 3 by 2 raised to the power of 5, that is 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 5. Now, if we are to use the law of division that you know already, 2 raised to the power of 3 minus 5, that is 2 raised to the power of 3 minus 5, that's subtracting the power of 5 from the power of 3, that will give you minus 2. So 2 raised to the power of 3 minus 5 will now be 2 raised to the power of minus 2. Now, by division law, that answer is perfect. Okay, so now let's try and expand to see what we're going to get. Because if the division law gives us 2 raised to the power of minus 2, then by expansion, whatever we get is supposed to be equivalent to 2 raised to the power of minus 2. Since we've been able to establish the division law already. Now, your 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by the 2 raised to the power of 5, your 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 5 is the same thing as saying 2 raised to the power of 3 over 2 raised to the power of 5. Now by expansion, we're going to be having 2 times 2 times 2 for the numerator, and then 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 for the denominator. Now, if the 2's above strikes the 2's below, we're going to be left with 2 times 2 as our denominator and 1 as our numerator. So eventually we're going to be having 1 over 2 times 2, which will in turn give us 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2. Okay, now by expansion we have been able to break our equation down to 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2. So 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 5 by expansion gave us 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2. But by division law, 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 2 raised to the power of 5 gave us 2 raised to the power of minus 2. Therefore, we can now say that 2 raised to the power of minus 2 is equivalent to 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2. So if the negative index minus 2 is now positive with 1 as our numerator over the power and the base, then that rule and law cannot be applicable to any letter or number. So if 2 raised to the power of minus 2 is equal to 1 all over 2 raised to the power of 2, then a raised to the power of minus n will now be equivalent to what? 1 all over a raised to the power of n.